to love, oh to love a love, oh songbird. Let the soul finish, baby, if only for a while. Many scars from others, from the past, from my own hand. Oh, oh, let warm words be like water flowing. Words of freedom, freedom called songbird. Light from the dark side of the moon. Through it all I still stand, even with tattered seams, like a bended grass blade. Oh baby, love, 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 my darling, so you can be loved and be loved, loved, loved. Every time alone is a time to hear me a murmur, soon to fill the sky with all those freed souls. Spread wings in open skies, love was heard from your herd. No green thing stays bent too long, baby. Hope, like a victim to the traffic. Oh songbird, turn it to song, find another tune. Words of freedom, freedom called songbird. Light from the dark side of the moon. Through it all I still stand, even with tattered seams, like a bended grass blade. Oh baby, love, 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 my darling, so you can be loved and be loved, loved, loved. Today's rays, baby, but be flying now to sky. Love, 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 my darling, so you can be loved